Okay, first thing I'm going to do is put this bash plate on, give it a little bit of underbody protection. Just using the standard bash plate off the 17 model, should fit this one, 2020. Put a bit of Loctite, blue Loctite on the bolts, stop them vibrating out or coming loose. Let's get it going. Just going to take these two 8mm bolts out of here. Yep. A little pad there, a little bit of sponge, just going to leave it there. I'll have to put you guys in the ground. Just clip that over the back frame rail. Push it up so these bolt holes line up. Stop it, Alfie. Stop it. Oh. You lay in the ground and you get jumped on. Anyway, let's put those in. A little bit of Loctite on the bolts. One dog out, one dog in. Or two dogs in. One that's out wants to come in. Get the bolts in. Run those in with the tool. Two bars are good. Usually have all the sizes on it that you want. Make sure you don't break the bolts with the thread. That's pretty good right there. So there we go. Now if he's happy with the job, no protection for the water pump though. Let's see how that goes. Now on this side, just enough protection there for the stator cover. Looks good. It's time to put in the craft stuff filter. Craft stuff filter. The mighty KTM Husqvarna or the Husberg, either one. $63 from your local shop. Just goes in here. See if we can, there we go. Got that one-handed. Nice clean fuel. Just come back over here to the workbench for that. Wreck anything on the bike? No. Come on, scissors. Don't fail me now. tricky, hard to install. Very long. I'm not sure why it's so long, but anyway, it's going in. It's in there like so. Nice and light, nice and thin, so it doesn't muck up your fuel cap. That'll keep us protected.